Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at Regents Park waiting on for a C-Set transfer to pass through Regents Park. Whilst I'll be waiting for the transfer, I'll be filming a couple of trains at Regents Park to kill off a bit of time. If you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs.
For Chopper C-Sets. Yeah, I think that was a good one.
And go to Panthers.
Yep.
On Sunday.
No worries. The next train that will feature in this episode is a C-Set transfer, which is one number T191, which will be on its way to Chullora for scrapping. Anyway, viewers, our C-Set transfer is now slowing, has just came to a stand, waiting on for the signal to clear.
The next train does not stop. The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to City Circle via Bankstown. First stop, Wirral, then Yagoona, Bankstown, then all stations to Sydenham, then St Peters, Erskineville, Redfern, Central, Town Hall.
Anyway, viewers, that's all for the video, as I have somewhere to be, so I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.